Well, the Modi government has for the first time hit out against the judges who protested a meet on Good Friday. In fact, Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu has hit out at those raking up the Good Friday controversy, saying that it was wrong to connect the issue to secularism and the government. According to Venkaiah Naidu, there have been conferences earlier on as well as on Good Friday, saying that the day is not a holiday even in the United States. Venkaiah Naidu added that work was done on numerous other holidays as well.
मैंने जानकारी दी है तो अमेरिका 94% क्रिश्चियंस, गुड फ्राइडे नो हॉलिडे। भारत में संक्रांति हमारा पर्व दिन है, कोर्ट काम करते रहते। विनायक चौथी पर्व दिन है, कोर्ट काम करते रहते। हमारा इलाका में उगादी चैत्र शुद्ध पाड्यमी, वो नया वर्ष मनाते हम लोग। आंध्र में, कर्नाटक में, बहुत इलाका में मेरे ख्याल से गुड़ी पड़वा है, कुछ कोर्ट काम करते रहते। किसी को कोई आपत्ति नहीं, किसी ने आपत्ति उठाया नहीं। मगर ऐसी हर एक विषय में सरकार को कहीं ना कहीं इसको नेगेटिव पिक्चर में दिखाने के लिए कुछ कोशिश चल रही है। सचमुच में दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण विषय है।
Deputy Editor Smita Sharma is now joining us with more details. Smita, clearly the government is under pressure because even after the conference is over and the CJI's explanation, they have come out and given their own clarification over the issue.
Well, absolutely, Maha. Remember, this was, of course, the Founders' Day occasion for the BJP, where we saw, in fact, the former party president, Venkaiah Naidu, who is currently, of course, the central minister, and also the current president, Amit Shah, come and address all the volunteers, supporters, the BJP, which now claims to have 10 crore members, and, is claiming that it is one of the biggest parties in the world, but clearly has a lot of, in fact, work to do, a lot of answering to do, especially in terms of the perception battles that it is fighting at various levels. And one of the perception battles is definitely on this entire fight of secularism versus communalism, where Venkaiah Naidu was trying to drive home that point that people are unnecessarily, in fact, giving communal tones to this entire issue. And he cited how on past occasions two judges have in fact come out and worked on Good Friday, which actually, some of the legal correspondents do point out the fact that there have been these annual conferences even on Valmiki Divas or even on 15th of August in previous years. So Venkaiah Naidu, they're trying to drive home the point that all the parties like Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party are just in search of opportunities to try and rake up issues, while they are, of course, trying to focus on governance at this point in time.
Smita, is the government under even more pressure coming specifically talking about Christians? Because in the past we've seen alleged cases of vandalism over churches as well.
Clearly, Maha, because these are, of course, not incidents that can only be read in isolation. Obviously, when there is a perception battle, then all these things come into play as well. When there are those vandalism of churches happening, when the Prime Minister at one point in time, in fact, goes into one of the prayer meetings and drives home the point that he will not, of course, tolerate any sort of vandalism against churches or any sort of attacks on minority groups. And then there are, senior judges who write in letters. You have a judge who is, of course, opposed to the idea of the Chief Justice of India holding the judges' conference on Good Friday. You have another senior judge who writes into the Prime Minister and declining the offer to attend a dinner meeting which was held on Easter's Day. So these are issues that, of course, blow up into a controversy given the nature of political sentiments that run through this country as well.
Government clearly fighting a perception battle there. Smita, many thanks for getting us that perspective.